Hello everyone from California. This is the first video on our channel. You won't believe it, but we've taken on a fresh beast after an accident. My name is Alex, and I created this channel to show you the entire journey from a broken car to perfect condition. Everything will be here. Honest auto content, challenges, victories, and most importantly, emotions. We will be restoring a 2025 Toyota Supra with a 3-liter engine. The car as it should be.
A magnificent car.
Yeah, I'm telling you. All right. Yeah, that's how it is here. I just changed the wheels, and that's it. It started running. Yes, it's a new car. It's only got 4,700 on the odometer. That's it. It's a decent car. Yes, I'm serious. Everything will be fine. Here it is, the 2025 Toyota GR Supra with only 5,000 miles on it. As for the engine, it's a B58, an inline-6 with a manual transmission. According to GPT Chat, this is the most reliable engine in BMW's new lineup. The same engine is used in the BMW Z440i, BMW 340i, and BMW X3, M40i, and even some Alpinas. But you know what's most interesting? Toyota specifically developed a 6-speed manual to emphasize the bold character of this car. No BMW, not the Z or any other BMW with the B58 engine has this transmission, only the Supra. As for our car, it really took a beating from the damage we have. The front suspension, all 4 wheels, hood, some geometry, roof, shield, front bumper, doors. In short, the project is not for the faint-hearted. We will completely disassemble the car, then fix the body, assemble the engine, chassis, interior, tuning, carbon, track assembly. And after that, it's all up to you. Write in the comments what to do with the Supra. If you suddenly recognize the car or know the previous owner, write to us. Friend, brother, are you okay? Also, if you're interested in car content without frills, with skill and thought, subscribe and follow this channel. The Supra is waiting for you. Let's go. Look, there's a rabbit with us.
Sing the song for a broken hearted. No silent prayer for